Take a moment to think about the last time you actively experienced nature. How did you feel? What did you notice? Did you know that 90% of us say we're happier when we're outside? Research is now confirming what we've known all along, that connecting with nature is one of the best things we can do for our health. Busy lives, stress, city living, or economic barriers can make connecting with nature in a meaningful way feel impossible, but it can be easier than you might think. Do you have a tree outside your window or a city park nearby? All you need to reap the benefits of nature is to pay attention to the nature that's already around you while engaging your senses. Spending 2 hours a week for at least 20 minutes at a time with nature can lead to some pretty amazing health benefits. For adults, research shows that time spent with nature reduces blood pressure and risk of heart disease and stroke, lowers blood sugar and risk of diabetes, bolsters immune system functioning and lowers inflammation, encourages shift in mood, increases energy and reduces stress, improves memory and creativity, fosters a sharp mind, increases feelings of vitality, and extends life expectancy, helps with maintaining a healthy pregnancy, increases resilience and recovery from illness, and grows a sense of connection and community. For children, time spent with nature boosts attention and memory, improves brain development and physical health, helps with asthma, lung function, and allergies, bolsters the immune system, helps with a healthy weight, encourages activity and coordination, grows confidence, lowers stress, and increases resilience, and fosters kindness and cooperation. You could schedule your nature time involving friends, family, co-workers, and community members. Even if you can't get outside, try to bring some nature to you by putting a plant in your work or home space. Explore a new, meaningful connection with nature today and let the benefits speak for themselves.